We start outside because honestly, this ultra peaceful and the wide road of South Extension Part 2 is half the reason to buy this house. I'm in D Block South Extension Part 2 right now, and this road is so wider that two cars can easily pass each other without folding their mirrors. Honestly, इस तरह की लोकेशन साउथ दिल्ली के अंदर बहुत रेयर है. But we have this 900 square yards ultra premium home, and we have the middle floors available with 4 super spacious bedrooms, and this has so many features that they have given in this that I have to show this to you room by room. So before we go inside, let me show you this beautiful elevation. On the day of possession, every house looks amazing. But what actually happens after 8 years, 10 years down the line? Usually, most of the builders use texture paint, but this is a permanent facade, a permanent finish elevation that would stay like this forever. आपको कोई पेंट नहीं करना, कोई रीपेंट नहीं करना, कोई मेंटेनेंस नहीं. So that's the beauty of this modern architecture they have created over here, that this would stay like this forever. आपने साउथ दिल्ली फ्लोर्स पे बहुत सारे घर देखे होंगे, but I would only call a home luxurious अगर आपको वहाँ पे कुछ privacy, कुछ exclusivity मिले. In this home, you have a separate exclusive entrance. The entrance is so grand that you also have a much needed powder washroom over here, along with this private lift lobby over here, which is so huge, so grand. This lift lobby is so massive in size that you have almost 2 cassette ACs given over here to cool this area. A much needed space. अगर आपके ऑफिस से कोई आ रहा है, you can just create a good sitting over here. You can also use this as a small home office setup where you can sign some documents. And that's your private glass door chandelier internal lift. And this lift opens directly inside your apartment. The only thing sharing is the common staircase. So you have a service door that opens to the common staircase area. Now, let me show you the floor from inside. And the biggest benefit of a private lift is that it's only yours. And when the doors open, you're standing inside your own home. No lobby, no corridor. Car to your sofa in about 40 seconds. So this is the foyer. You're welcome. And you notice that you're standing on the same premium white color European stone that runs throughout the whole house. There's no cheap entrance here. There's no the good stuff starts later. It starts at the lift door. This home has been built by a top reputed builder who has been building such marvelous homes since so many decades now. And this is the powder washroom. The planning is absolutely optimum. So you have a really good size of the powder washroom exactly opposite to the living room, so that when you have a guest over, the guests exactly know कि washroom कहाँ पे है. Good size washroom. So you have this beautiful glass basin over here, golden color fittings over here, and a really good emerald green flooring they have used in this PDR. A spacious, good looking PDR, I should say. This entire foyer area they have designed using these hand finished paneling in such a way that it is maintenance free. You don't have to repaint. You can just use a wet cloth to just wipe it and it would stay like this forever. And they have designed it so very well that it's really difficult to make out that there's a door over here. So is the door for the first bedroom. The first bedroom is, by the way, over here. But we'll be showing you this bedroom after we cover the living room. And not to forget this amazing feature piece they have created over here. So आपके घर के अंदर जैसे ही कोई लिफ्ट से exit करके आपके foyer में आएगा, they would be in awe of this beautiful feature they have created over here. And then it opens up into this, the living and the dining. This is where 900 square yards stop being a number. Nothing in this living room is squeezed to fit. The white European marble, the full length doors and windows, the light coming at you from all the sides because you have 2 side wraparound balconies. In fact, one of the biggest living room in any of the South Delhi homes. ये drawing room का size इतना बड़ा है that there are 4 cassette ACs, that too by Mitsubishi, to cool down this area. The whole house has home automation system. The good part, through this home automation system, by the comfort of your mobile, you can control all the lights, all the electric curtains, your air cons. आप लंदन में बैठे हो या फिर आप दुबई से फ्लाइट ले रहे हो, आप अपने घर आने से पहले आप किसी भी रूम का AC स्विच ऑन कर सकते हो. Now that's what I call real luxury. And what a beautiful way to segregate your living room and the foyer area. And honestly, the paneling is so beautifully crafted that if I won't tell you, you won't even come to know that there is the bedroom over here. So that's our first bedroom. Let's go inside. That's the first bedroom. The builder has intentionally not made 5 bedrooms. 900 गज के अंदर easily 5 bedroom बन जाते हैं. In fact, लोग तो 700 गज 800 गज में बनाए थे. But this builder wanted to give a super luxurious experience. So all the 4 bedrooms are very very good size. In fact, हर bedroom का size इतना बड़ा है that not just one. So we have 2 air cons. We have one air con over here, another air con to cool down this bedroom over here. And we also have a balcony that is shared with a living room over here. और अगर आपने notice किया हो तो हमने जो बेडरूम देखा उसके अंदर कोई भी वार्डरोब नहीं था, बिकॉज यू हैव अ डेडिकेटेड वॉक इन क्लोजेट. इनफैक्ट दिस इज़ वन हाउस इन साउथ दिल्ली जिसमें हर बेडरूम के साथ में आपको एक वॉक इन क्लोजेट मिलता है. सो यू हैव अ सेपरेट हिज इन हर क्लोजेट ओवर हियर. ब्यूटीफुल फिनिशिंग, इनफैक्ट द हाईएस्ट ग्रेड फिनिशिंग, चाहे वो वसंत विहार में हो या बड़े से बड़ा घर हो साउथ दिल्ली के अंदर, इससे बेटर फिनिशिंग नहीं हो सकती. एंड ऑल्सो दिस वन मोर यूएसपी ओवर हियर. दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट हाउस इन साउथ दिल्ली जिसके अंदर आपको वॉक इन क्लोजेट के अंदर भी आपको प्राइवेट सेपरेट एयर कॉन मिलता है. एंड दिस इज द लग्जूरियस वॉशरूम दैट हैज़ बीन अटैच्ड टू द फर्स्ट बेडरूम. वेरी गुड साइज ऑफ द वॉशरूम. दिस हैज़ अ वेरी यूनिक यूरोपियन वाइट कलर स्टोन जो पूरे घर में रन कर रहा है उससे डिफरेंट है ये स्टोन. अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल स्टोन ओवर हेयर. सो यू हैव अ सेपरेट हिज इन हर बेसिन ओवर हेयर. वन ऑफ द बेस्ट क्वालिटी गोल्डन कलर फिटिंग्स है. What amazing looking glass mirror they have done over here. A contrasting stone. The best finishing for the vanity they have given over here, and segregated spaces. So you have a separate space for your WC, and there's a very walkable, a good size of the shower cubicle with a sitting area also. और हर washroom के अंदर आपको separate air con मिलता है. Let me present to you the heart of the home, the most thoughtfully and luxurious kitchen built in South Delhi. The kitchen, Siemens appliances, fully fitted, all included. New height, new coverage. This kitchen is truly a chef's dream. Storage everywhere and the much needed island top. And there's a separate utility area attached to the kitchen. So the real work, the masalas, the washing, the dirty utensils, everything stays back here. So the kitchen remains exactly clean like this always. A very thoughtful design throughout the home. You have 2 air cons only for this foyer. Now that's our entrance from the staircase. So in case if someone doesn't want to take a lift or you have a delivery, so one can just access the apartment from this common staircase over here. Now let me show you something very very unique. They have given a mini terrace setup on the first floor level. Yes, on the first floor level you have a mini terrace. इस तरह का एरिया तो साउथ दिल्ली में मैंने आज तक किसी अपार्टमेंट देखा ही नहीं है. So you have this feature wall over here and an open to sky area over here. A perfect place to place your coffee tables for your morning and evening routines. And this space is so amazing that you can host your family and friends. A perfect place for your barbecues, if you want to host a hookah party with your family and friends. Amazing place for that. And over here we have the family lounge. Just look at the size of the family lounge. Actually इसको family lounge की जगह इसको day room बोलना चाहिए अगर आपको अपना living room हर समय नहीं use करना. So you have such a big area that can be called as a day room. जितना भी stone है exactly book matching करके they have placed these European stones. So perfect craftsmanship they have shown over here. Amazing feature wall design over here. So this is one of the good part of this apartment कि आपको इस घर को लेने के बाद इंटीरियर का काम कुछ कराने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, because it's a fully loaded a package that you get if you buy this. And you also have a puja room over here. Beautifully designed puja room using a white European stone with concealed lighting and a dedicated space for it. And that's the second bedroom. Same story, big and bright. The only difference, to give some contrast, to give some variation, they have used a really high grade hardwood wooden flooring over here. And look at these big doors and windows over here. So you have a French style balcony over here, but slightly bigger balcony over here. Let me show you the washroom attached. By the way, every washroom also has a sensor light. So अगर आप washrooms की light को अगर switch on नहीं भी करोगे, अगर आप रात को washroom use करने के लिए जा रहे हो, you'll step in and the light automatically turns on. Every washroom has a different European stone used over here. No tiles have been used throughout this apartment anywhere. And I really love the flooring design. ये जो circular pattern के अंदर उन्होंने 2 stone को mix करके It's giving a character interior को boost मिल रहा है. It's looking really really good. And you have a separate WC area with beautiful concealed lighting behind a marble wall over here. A good walkable shower cubicle. और अगर आपने नोटिस किया जो हमने सेकंड बेडरूम देखा है उसमें कोई भी क्लोजेट नहीं था बिकॉज यू हैव अ डेडिकेटेड 4-door क्लोजेट राइट ओवर हियर. एंड नॉट टू मेंशन एवरी बाथरूम ऑफ दिस हाउस हैज़ अ सेपरेट एयरकॉन अटैच विद इट. एंड दैट्स द थर्ड बेडरूम. अगेन बिग ब्राइट एरी. इफ योर पेरेंट्स स्टेज विद यू they could stay here. If your kids stay with you, they could stay here. Normally 4 बेडरूम के जो घर होते हैं उसके अंदर हमेशा एक एडजस्टमेंट बेडरूम होता है जो सबसे छोटा होता है, बट यहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. All 4 bedrooms are good size, very well planned. And don't skip the video because वीडियो के एंड में I'll be showing you that area. क्योंकि अगर आपने वो नहीं देखा तो आपको इस 900 स्क्वायर यार्ड के घर का एसेंस ही समझ नहीं आएगा. So coming back to this bedroom, the bedroom size is so big that you have 2 air cons, so that's the space where you can place your bed. And उसके अलावा they have created this sitting area with own separate air con over here. Again, no closet over here because you have a full size walkable closet over here. L shape के अंदर highest grade finishing के अंदर they have created this closet area with its separate air con. Now let me show you the washroom. Wow, every bathroom is so very well designed. very unique. हर बाथरूम एक दूसरे से अलग है. Now, if you see this vanity design कर्व के अंदर इन्होंने स्टोन की जो प्लेसमेंट करके आपको ये देख के लग रहा होगा कि ये वॉशरूम की जो वैनिटी है छोटा है, बट छोटा नहीं है. द रीज़न बीइंग दे हैव गिवन अ मिरर कॉपी ऑफ दिस वैनिटी डिज़ाइन ओवर हियर exactly opposite to this. This could be his, that could be for her. Again, bathroom में भी aircon है. And now the master, the biggest room of the house, and this room really sold me. एंड फ्रैंकली ये बेडरूम का साइज़ इतना बड़ा है कि ऑलमोस्ट 300 गज का तो लिविंग रूम का साइज़ होता है जितना बड़ा ये मास्टर बेडरूम है. सो दे हैव गिवन सेपरेट स्पेसेस टू कीप योर बेड, अ सेपरेट लाउंजर एरिया विद अ सेपरेट एयरकॉन वेयर यू कैन क्रिएट अ रियली गुड suite like sitting over here. Now you have this service balcony along with the master bedroom, but not just this. After I show you the master bathroom, I'll be taking you to one area जैसा आपने साउथ दिल्ली में किसी भी घर में आज तक देखा ही नहीं होगा. And this is the master bathroom that can beat the bathroom of any 5-star hotel. Not just in terms of size, but also in terms of luxuries, the space and everything. A very unique stone they have used over here. What a beautiful looking vanity area over here. Good size vanity, lot of storage space, amazing designing over here. Now, this has a separate aircon for this washroom, but I'll be showing you the wardrobe a little later. That's your shower area. You have a super size standalone bathtub over here. What could be more luxurious? And that's your WC area, a segregated one. And this master bathroom also has a super size closet area. Just look at the size of this closet area. So you have 3-side closet with its separate aircon. The best of the finishing, they have used these glass shutters. This is how the closet looks from inside. All the way आपको जो height मिलती है closet के बिल्कुल नीचे से लेके आपको ऊपर तक मिलती है with all these concealed lighting, and you also have this amazing fabric work they have used in the shutters. Truly a marvelous design over here. The rear balcony, except calling this as a balcony feels wrong because this area is no less than a mini terrace. Put a swing here or a barbecue or a table with 6 chairs. This space can take it all. चाहे विंटर आफ्टरनून हो या कार्ड पार्टीज हो या क्वाइट फैमिली डिनर्स हो, आइडियल स्पेस फॉर इट. अ प्राइवेट ओपन एयर रूम एट द बैक ऑफ द हाउस, away from everything. So this was a video showcase for the first and second floor. Look, I am a luxury real estate advisor, so you expect me to praise for every house. So I'll keep it simple. This is the best built house I've personally walked through in South Delhi. If you want it, the number is below. Call me and this could be yours. This is South Delhi Flows. See you at the next one.